Switzerland, a land of majestic mountains where the peaks touch the sky and the air is crisp and pure. The Swiss Alps, with their snow-capped summits, are a sight to behold, drawing adventurers and nature lovers from around the globe. And it's not just the mountains that captivate. The pristine lakes, with their crystal-clear waters, reflect the beauty of the surrounding landscapes, creating a serene and tranquil atmosphere. These lakes are perfect for a peaceful boat ride or a refreshing swim in the summer months. Beyond the popular tourist destinations lie charming villages untouched by time, each with unique character and stories to tell. These villages, nestled in the valleys and perched on the hillsides, offer a glimpse into a simpler way of life where traditions are cherished and the pace is unhurried. Imagine cobblestone streets, flower-laden chalets, and breathtaking alpine vistas. The architecture of these villages, with their wooden houses and intricate carvings, tells a story of craftsmanship and heritage. Walking through these streets feels like stepping back in time. This is the Switzerland that captures the heart, a world away from the ordinary. It's a place where the beauty of nature and the warmth of the local culture combine to create an unforgettable experience. Join us as we journey to some of Switzerland's best-kept secrets, where tradition thrives and the beauty of simplicity reigns supreme. We'll visit places where the old ways are still alive and the connection to the land is strong. We'll explore their histories, delve into local life, and discover why these hidden gems are worth stepping off the beaten path. From traditional festivals to local crafts, there's so much to learn and experience. Get ready to be enchanted by the magic of the Swiss Alps. The landscapes here are like something out of a fairy tale, with towering peaks, lush meadows, and sparkling streams. Our exploration takes us to the far corners of Switzerland, where each village offers a unique glimpse into the country's rich cultural tapestry. These remote areas are often overlooked by tourists, but they hold some of the most authentic and rewarding experiences. From the Engadine Valley, with its stunning landscapes and charming villages, to the shores of Lake Lugano, where the Italian influence is palpable, we'll uncover the hidden gems that make Switzerland a destination of endless wonder. Each region has its own distinct flavor and charm. So, pack your bags, grab your hiking boots, and prepare for an unforgettable adventure through the heart of Switzerland. Whether you're an avid hiker, a history buff, or simply someone who loves to explore new places, this journey promises to be a memorable one. High in the Engadine Valley, nestled among the majestic Swiss Alps, overlooking the lower Engadine Valley, lies a place where time seems to stand still. This is Guarda, a village frozen in time, where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Known for its perfectly preserved Engadine houses, each structure tells a story of a bygone era. Guarda is a testament to traditional Swiss architecture, showcasing the craftsmanship and artistry of the past. These houses, adorned with sgraffito decorations and ornate doorways, are more than just buildings. They are works of art. They transport visitors to a bygone era, offering a glimpse into the lives of those who lived here centuries ago. Walking through Guarda's car-free streets is like stepping into a fairy tale where every corner holds a new discovery. The village's charm lies in its simplicity, with every corner revealing a picturesque scene that seems straight out of a storybook. Take a moment to admire the intricate details of the houses, each telling a story of the village's rich history and cultural heritage. The sgraffito decorations, the ornate doorways, and the beautifully crafted windows all speak of a time when life was simpler, yet richer in many ways. Each house in Guarda is a chapter in the village's long and storied history, inviting you to explore and learn more. Guarda is also deeply connected to Swiss literature, adding another layer to its rich cultural tapestry. The children's book Schellen Ursli by Selina Chance and Alois Carigier is set in Guarda, capturing the village's spirit beautifully and bringing its charm to life for readers of all ages. The story of Ursli, a young boy who embarks on a daring adventure to retrieve his family's cowbell, is a beloved Swiss classic that brings the village to life. As you wander through the village, you can almost hear the echoes of Ursli's footsteps, feel his excitement, and share in his adventure. Guarda is not just a place, it's an experience, a journey through time, and a living story that continues to enchant visitors from around the world. On the shores of Lake Lugano, bathed in Mediterranean sunshine, lies Morcotti, a village often called the Pearl of Lake Lugano. This picturesque village enchants visitors with its colorful houses, cascading vineyards, and stunning lakeside views. Stroll along the lake promenade, lined with cafes and restaurants, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. Explore the narrow, winding streets that lead to hidden courtyards and charming squares. Don't miss the Church of Santa Maria del Sasso, perched on a hilltop overlooking the village, offering breathtaking panoramic views. Morcotti's history dates back to Roman times, and the village has retained its charm throughout the centuries. Its unique blend of Italian and Swiss influences is evident in its architecture, cuisine, and way of life. Perched high above the valley floor in the Bregaglia region, Soglio is a village that seems to hang from the sky. Known as the balcony over the Alps, Soglio offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. Soglio's beauty lies in its simplicity and tranquility. The village's narrow streets, lined with ancient stone houses, invite leisurely exploration. Take a seat at a local cafe, sip on a cappuccino, and let the breathtaking scenery wash over you. One of Soglio's most iconic landmarks is the Palazzo Salis, a grand 17th century palace that once housed the powerful Salis family. Today, the palace is a hotel and restaurant, offering visitors a taste of history and luxury. What unites these hidden Swiss villages is their embrace of simplicity. Nestled in the heart of the Alps, these villages offer a glimpse into a world where life is unhurried and deeply connected to nature. Life here moves at a slower pace, dictated by the rhythms of nature. The villagers rise with the sun and retire with its setting, their days filled with the timeless activities of farming, crafting, and community gatherings. The villagers take pride in their traditions, their craftsmanship, and their connection to the land. Each piece of work, whether it's a wooden carving or a hand-woven basket, tells a story of heritage and skill passed down through generations. The simplicity is reflected in the village's architecture, their cuisine, and their way of life. The buildings, with their rustic charm, blend seamlessly into the landscape, creating a harmonious balance between human habitation and the natural world. The houses, built to withstand the harsh alpine climate, are simple yet beautiful, adorned with local materials and traditional craftsmanship. Each home is a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the villagers. The food is hearty and flavorful, made with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Meals are a communal affair, bringing families and neighbors together to share in the bounty of the land. The pace of life in these villages is a welcome contrast to the hustle and bustle of modern life. Here there is time to savor each moment, to enjoy the company of loved ones, and to find joy in the simple things. Here time seems to slow down, allowing visitors to reconnect with nature, with themselves, and with the simple pleasures of life. It's a reminder that sometimes the greatest luxuries are the simplest ones. The flavor of tradition, culinary delights. No journey through Switzerland is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. These hidden villages offer a taste of authentic Swiss flavors passed down through generations. Be sure to try fondue, a Swiss classic where bread is dipped into a communal pot of melted cheese. Raclette, another cheese-centric dish, involves scraping melted cheese onto potatoes and other accompaniments. And for a sweet treat, indulge in Bündner Nusstorte, a caramelized nut tart that is a specialty of the Engadine region. These dishes, made with fresh local ingredients and prepared with care, are a testament to the Swiss tradition of culinary excellence. Respecting local customs and etiquette. When visiting these hidden Swiss villages, it's important to be mindful of local customs and etiquette. The Swiss value politeness, punctuality, and respect for their traditions. When greeting someone, a handshake is customary, along with a polite Grüezi in German-speaking Switzerland or bonjour in French-speaking Switzerland. When entering someone's home, it's customary to remove your shoes and always be mindful of noise levels, especially in the evenings and on Sundays, which are considered quiet times. By respecting local customs, you'll not only enhance your own experience, but also show appreciation for the local culture. Planning your alpine escape. Getting to these hidden Swiss villages is part of the adventure. While some villages are accessible by car, others require a combination of train, bus, and even cable car rides. The Swiss travel system offers a comprehensive network of trains, buses, and boats that can take you to even the most remote corners of the country. Consider purchasing a Swiss travel pass, which offers unlimited travel on public transportation within Switzerland. When planning your itinerary, allow ample time to explore each village at your own pace. These hidden gems are best experienced slowly, soaking in the atmosphere and savoring the moments. Embrace the unexpected. As you embark on your journey through hidden Switzerland, be prepared to embrace the unexpected. These villages are full of surprises, from chance encounters with friendly locals to breathtaking views that appear around every corner. Allow yourself to get lost in the moment, to wander without an agenda, and to discover the hidden treasures that await. The beauty of these villages lies not only in their physical beauty, but also in the unexpected moments that create lasting memories. So, pack your sense of adventure, open your heart to new experiences, and prepare to be enchanted by the magic of hidden Switzerland.